Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome back. Okay. Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back into the video. Today we're going to be swapping out the side lights on this MK6 Golf. So the side lights are these ones here. So go down. This tiny one here. So that's a side light. It's next to the high beam and the daylight running light. But yeah. So they're known as the T10 5W5. Something like that. So this has a CAN bus resistor on already. Can you see the 270? So that will hopefully make sure that there's no LED bulb error, I think. Bulb out error. So yeah, show you how to take it off now. Alright, so you're gonna have a rubber cap here. So you want to take the rubber cap off, but I'm missing the rubber cap, so make sure it doesn't turn. Just keep it like that. Okay. So you can have a rubber cap here, but I don't have the rubber cap. Make sure you have gloves on, but I don't. But forget about that. So you're gonna feel like a wire. It'll be on the left side or right side. You'll be able to feel it, and then you wanna twist it. It's very tiny though, so you might struggle a bit. You might need tweezers for this one. Let me have a look. Anybody have tweezers? Oh, that's very hard. Yeah, my hands are too big. Yeah, my hands don't reach in there because they're too big, so I recommend using tweezers. Let me go get some. Okay, let me get it out. I'm gonna feel it this time. Move it down a bit. Down. Yeah, there. Keep that. This side has very restricted access, so we have taken the whole air filter box out. It's very hard to do. You have to take out this screw, 3 screws along here, that screw, got 2 screws here on the car side, and then you have to be careful of this filter pipe. That's the coolant. You need to be careful of that pipe. Don't know how we're going to get this back in as well, so who knows. But now we have full access, unrestricted access to all the bulbs.
Is it better or worse?
Obviously we can reach it now. Yeah. Alright guys, so as you know, we've took off this whole area and we've had to use long nose pliers, and we fucking finally managed to pull this piece of shit out. This piece of shit here, that's your tiny bulb there, bro. So these are the new ones, T10 LEDs. They're CAN bus free apparently. CAN bus embedded, so yeah. Has a load resistor on board. Should be right. I'll just hold that for a second. Alright, so the way you take this off. Oh wait, you do it. I'll do it. You camera.
Hold it.
Okay, you got it. Hands are clean now.
Obviously, gloves on, bro.
Okay. So you want to take the. Actually, well, you know when you touch the glass with your hand, but
there's no other option to be honest.
Fuck it, guys. Fuck it. So we're gonna do one.
So if you watched our Astra video, it's kind of like that same bulb.
If you put it in one way, it doesn't work. You want to put it the other way, turn it around. Oh, that's why it flashed then. Did you see it?
Wait, it's actually like the Astra one, isn't it, bro?
Yep.
No.
Yeah. As you can see, that's very bright. So you only leave the light on so you can put it in, back in. Make it easier to put it back in and see where you're going. So all you're doing is shoving it through here and guiding it through and just shoving it in. You don't have to turn it or anything. That is well bright compared to before. Look at the difference, guys. That's actually blinding bright, isn't it? Like that.
Too blinding, if you ask me. Not sure if that's legal.
There you go. This piece of shit.
That piece of shit cost you those hands to take this off. What is that?
Is it flicking or is it good? That's alright.
And now, the comparison.
So this is more white, it's more orange.
Let me do a cinematic for you, bro.
Sorted, lovely, sorted, lovely. Liking it, liking it.
Easy.
Which one do you think is brighter? I just think that's not angled right because
I don't know, but they both look brighter than my feature.
Alright, no problem. Shall I leave it like that at the angle?
Yeah.
It's facing towards the reflector.
Yeah.
See, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this whole cover's done now, yeah? This whole side. That whole side's done, innit?
Yeah.
Everything's okay. Just put the cover back on now. You're sorted. Alright guys.
And cover is back on.
What?
1,
What did you
2,
What did you do?
and where's the third one?
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.